Hey there, students! Ever wonder what makes living organisms grow, develop, and repair themselves? It all comes down to one fascinating process, the cell cycle. Stick around as I unlock the secrets of this essential biological event. First up, we've got the G1 phase, also known as gap 1. This is where the cell starts its growth spurt, getting bigger and prepping for the next steps. It's like the cell is hitting the gym, synthesizing mRNA and proteins, making sure it has everything it needs. It also plays detective, checking for any DNA damage. Only when the cell passes this checkpoint can it move on. Next we enter the S phase, or synthesis phase. This is the cell's version of a photocopying machine. DNA replication kicks in, doubling the cell's genetic material. Each chromosome gets a twin called sister chromatids. By the end of this phase, the cell's genetic library is ready for the big split. Moving on, we have the G2 phase, or gap 2. Think of this as the cell's final preparations before the grand division. It continues to grow and produce proteins and organelles. Another round of DNA damage checks happens here to ensure everything's spot on. It's like a final dress rehearsal before the big performance. Now, the main event, the M phase, or mitosis. This is where the cell finally divides. Mitosis itself breaks down into several stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. It's like a well-coordinated dance where chromosomes line up, split apart, and move to opposite ends of the cell. Finally, cytokinesis occurs, dividing the cytoplasm and creating two brand new daughter cells. But wait, there's more. Some cells take a break in what's known as the G0 phase. They enter a resting state and don't actively prepare to divide. It's like hitting the pause button on a remote control. Cells can chill here temporarily or stay indefinitely. The cell cycle isn't just a free-for-all, it's tightly regulated by checkpoints and regulatory proteins. Key players like cyclins and cyclin-dependent kinases, CDKs, form complexes that help move the cycle along. There are even checkpoints at G1, G2, and during mitosis to make sure everything's going smoothly. So why is the cell cycle so crucial? It's essential for growth and development, allowing organisms to produce new cells. It also plays a vital role in tissue repair, helping to mend damaged tissues. And in unicellular organisms, it's a means of reproduction. In multicellular organisms, it contributes to producing gametes through meiosis. But disruptions in the cell cycle can lead to serious issues like cancer, where cells divide uncontrollably. That's why understanding and regulating this cycle is so important. So, there you have it, the cell cycle unlocked and explained. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next video.